Well, go on guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna change our hood release, our bonnet release handle. This one is broken, so we're gonna go ahead and change it, and it's gonna be on the driver's side all the way down to the ground. So if your Elantra look like this from 2017, yeah, I think it's from 2016 and up, it should look like this on the inside. So this is right here, we need to take that off. So first we need to pull up on the rubber to get the rubber up. Once we get the rubber up, we can pull up on this. We just need to get it unhooked from right here. So guys, my light died, so I had to get another light. So just want to get it unhooked from here, then you can pull back. I want to pull up on this a little bit, get that out. So once we get this out, actually you want to pull it towards the rear of the car, because they have this hook in here, that hook in here. So once you pull that out, once you come out from there, you can pull it towards the brake pedal, and then to take out this hook that go right here, this clip that go right here, that will come out. So right here you're gonna have two 10mm, one right here, one right here. They're gonna be two 10mm to take off the mechanism. And I noticed that's this part missing something, because I have another one right here, so it's missing this part. So this part is broken. So I'm gonna show you how to unhook this, because maybe yours break a different way where you still have this, and you're gonna need to unhook this part. So I'm gonna show you how to unhook this part right here. So let me go ahead and take this off first. And this is not a hard job, guys. It's really easy. Link will be in the description for the tools you need. Only thing you need so far is a ratchet handle and a ratchet handle on a 10mm. And if I can find the parts, I will link it in the description as well. So guys, this is it. I'm gonna lock this in here. So after you take that off, you want to push this up right here, bring it all the way around, and find the opening, and it will come off. So this is the opening right here you gotta find for it to come off. And if you want to install it, you're gonna push it in through the opening, come around here, lock this in right there, put back this in the groove right here along with your 10mm. And you can go ahead and tighten them down. You don't have to over tighten them, guys, just tighten them. So guys, the next step is to put back this piece right here. Make sure it clipped in this way and it clipped in this way. Then you can lock this piece back right here, put back your rubber, Once your rubber is set, you can go ahead and put in your handle and push it all the way in, so to get it locked in. So once that's locked in, you can pull on it like this to open the hood. And let's double check to make sure that works. So the hood is closed. And the hood is open. So that's it, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.